You're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a spider pig. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie. Now, we're only going to need two colors today. We'll need a blue and we'll need a red. I think we can do really great. Let's go try to draw a spider pig and let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making spider pig, we're going to make one curved line going from the bottom of the left all the way over to the right side of the page. At the end of the curved line that we just made, we're going to begin to make spider pig's right ear. Once we complete making the right ear, we're going to hop over to the left side, where we will begin to make the left ear. Now, in the middle of the page, we're going to make one big circle. This will be spider pig's snout. Now, on the left and right side, we're going to make spider pig's lower half of his face connect to his snout. Above the snout that we previously made, we're going to begin to make spider pig's very big eyes. Over on the left side of the page, we're going to begin to make spider pig's left hand. A little to the left of the snout, we're going to make a big L-like shape coming down. This will be the beginning of the torso for spider pig. Now, a little over to the right of the L shape that we previously made, we're going to begin to make spider pig's right hand. It will appear much larger than the left. We will connect the head to the hand with one small line. The line that we're making right now will leave a small part of blue inside the suit for spider pig. Now, in the middle of the chest, we're going to begin to make a spider. Now, a little to the left below the torso, we're going to make a circle. This will be the left foot of spider pig. We will connect the foot to the torso with one curved line. Now we will connect the left foot all the way over to the right hand. Below what we just made, we're going to make a small half circle. This will be the right foot. Now, around spider pig's eyes, we're going to bolden them in order to make them similar to Spider-Man's mask. Now all over the body of Spider Pig, we're going to begin to make the really cool web-like design. You can make yours just like ours, or you can make it completely different. Either way is completely fine.